Okay, you see the orange arrow, stock market recovery, the beginning of the bear market and the end of the bear market, and I have just all over the place. And I was being facetious, but it proves a point, because the reality is we have no idea if it's going to be a V-shaped, W-shaped, sawtooth pattern, checkmark pattern, lightning bolt down, lightning bolt up. So that's why I just went, I went with the scribble, okay? This is the honest one. We don't know. And it changes day to day. Right now, today, I think people are talking about a V-shaped recovery. Yesterday, people were talking about a W shape, or, when the recovery, the market goes down, goes up, goes down again. And I don't know if people are talking about these recoveries for the stock market or the economy, but I think right now they're pretty much considered one and the same when we talk about these recoveries. So I just went with the squiggly line. It's the honest answer, because whatever happens during the day is what determines people's view of what letter or shape we're going to use to describe the economy. So I'm just going with the squiggly line because we really don't know. And it really doesn't matter to me. As long as we get through it is all I really care about.